We use plastics every day, like for example, in storing and packing food, like this delicious salad. But with our use of plastic also comes tons of waste. Some of them ending up polluting the environment. What's more, they are produced from fossil fuels, which contribute to climate change.
Some of the official predictions made about climate change sound biblical in scale.
So instead, we are working on plastics that are renewable and biodegradable. And to do so, we work with bacteria that have the ability to produce plastic. We cultivate these bacteria in systems like this, where if you would look closer, you would see millions of microscopic bacteria that have some granules inside their bodies. These granules are a compound called PHA, and when you extract it, it behaves like plastic. But why would bacteria accumulate plastic inside their bodies? Well, it's a way to store food. Actually, humans do exactly the same. When we eat too much and our body cannot process all the nutrients right away, it produces fat, which is then used whenever we are not eating enough to cover our needs. So bacteria do exactly the same. These granules of PHA are their food for whenever they are starving. And the food for this bacteria is this, which is a leftover from the biodiesel industry. So it's a cheap and sustainable substrate. Basically, my research project is to investigate how often and how much do we feed these bacteria so that they produce more plastic. So in a way, I'm some sort of nutritionist, but instead of making diets for making people thin, I'm making diets for making bacteria as fat as possible.